Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jordy if you have not seen me before. Wow, it feels like I haven't been on YouTube in such a long time. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started. So this was just me getting ready for a day out, just running errands or whatever. I'm using my LA Girl Slim Shady Brow Pencil in the shade Blackest Brown. I kind of went a little overboard on my brows. I didn't really mean to, so we're just going to go ahead and clean that up with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Cream Contour Kit in the shade Nude. Now, even though I am bringing the concealer down onto my lid, we are not actually prepping for eyeshadow because I won't be using any today. I'm just going to go ahead and set my lids just to even out the tone, and I'm also just going to prep it for my winged liner. So for my base, I'm just going to use my Becca, I believe it's the Ever Matte Poreless Primer. Since it is wintertime, I do need a fairly matte base so that way my foundation stays on for a good amount of time. As far as foundation goes, I am also using a matte one, and I'm just going to use my L'Oreal Infallible Pro-matte foundation in the shade 111. Speaking of this foundation, guys, if you have oily to normal skin, I would highly recommend it. Just look at how beautiful it blends out into my skin, and it's not too drying of a matte foundation, so highly recommend that. For concealers, I'm using my NARS Soft Matte Concealer in the shade Amande and my ColourPop Concealer in the shade Golden 40. I'm just going to mix those two together and apply them underneath my eyes, to my forehead, the bridge of my nose, and my chin. Now, of course, if you are oily, you also want to go ahead and apply a setting powder. So I'm using my Laura Mercier translucent powder to set and bake underneath my eyes and everywhere where I did put highlight. Yo, I feel like I use this in like every video, but I'm sorry y'all, like it's really my favorite. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Mahogany Powder Bronzer. I do want to go a shade lighter just to see if it can give off a more natural bronze rather than me kind of going in because I seem to always do that when I use it. As far as blush goes, this is a really old blush from Milani. It is called Sunset Beach and it's my absolute favorite. Now for my liquid liner, I went ahead and used my RK by Kiss Black Liquid Liner. You can get that from the beauty supply store, I believe. I did go for a little bit more of a dramatic wing than what I initially was kind of expecting. It is what it is. It came out nice. I did mess up just a little bit though, just a little bit. So these are the 25mm lashes from Better Mink Lashes on Instagram in style E03. I'm also going in with my Juvia's Place loose highlighter in the shade Nubia. And I'm also going to top that off with my Laura Geller. I believe this is her Gilded Honey highlight. Anything that I probably got wrong or if I missed or anything like that, I'll just go ahead and list them down below for you guys. For this look, I was actually trying to go ahead and create the like perfect matte brown girl nude, and I mean, you know, it's there, but it's not there. I actually wanted to be a little bit less pink, but it still came out fairly nice. I used my Milani liquid lipstick in the shade Covette for the liner portion, and then to fill it in, I used my Absolute New York liquid lipstick in the shade Silk Sheets. Now to set all your makeup, you want to go ahead and use your Mario Badescu cucumber spray or whatever setting spray that you do have on hand, and that will end up being the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm pretty sure I never told you to subscribe in the beginning, so if you have not, please do so. Please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and I will see you guys in the next one.